what happens when we get a little bit out of kilter. Everything's good here. Both arms need to go back, and then you need to pull yourself straight up, but instead you end up in this position. Okay, so look real close at this position for 1 second. And I want you to see this angle, right? It's almost a defensive angle. Instead, what we would want is we would want you to be more in this kind of an angle, straight up, which is going to get you a lot more height on the ball in your approach. As a result, this hand, again, gets stuck in this position instead of following through this way. So I think the key here is let's try to keep this hand up as long as we can, the left hand. When this arm starts swinging at the ball, then pull hard down on this hand to your hip. And I think if we do that, that's going to square you up, it's going to square up your approach, and it's going to square you up to the ball, and this won't happen. That's a foot under the net, if not two. So, I mean, it happens. It really does. And I don't think you have this, again, at middle. But look, 1 foot, remember we talked about that? I mean, the distance between this foot and this foot is huge. And that comes from the whole dipping of the shoulder, at the top, which all stems from, I think, this left hand right here. So we'll get that squared up, and when we do, you're going to be on top of the ball, and you're going to be hitting very hard, which, by the way, in my mind, that's what we do. We hit hard no matter what, and it doesn't matter to me. It really doesn't matter to me if you miss like this 12 times. We're going to get right back there, and we're going to hit hard again. So keep it up.